Okay, this is a small table lamp. Great to put on your nightstand and use. It comes with the user guide or manual and the little table lamp. As you can see, it comes even with the bulb included. Okay, it's very easy to put it on. As you can see, it's really cute. It will look really good on your nightstand. Put it together is a breeze. You have to mount this piece first and then put the bulb. The cord is very long and it has a switch to turn it on and off. I'm going to connect it now. It's connected, and to turn it on, you just tap it. It has 3 different brightness modes. I like this one. And also has a USB and a USB-C in there, a regular USB port and a USB-C. It's a really nice little lamp, very versatile.
I'm so glad that I have this lamp. Awesome. You can touch it and so many options to light up your room. Very comfortable, very nice, clean, and I got it from my son.